Gotta love the Asian bobtail. Oh yeah, cornstarch. Yeah, and some people add cocoa to it if you have dark hair. But I wouldn't want to put cocoa in my hair because then I think ants will be eating my head. I don't think they mask that onion smell. There's no way they do that. You went to Penang when you were 8 years old? That's so cool. Box up all the kitties. I walked past this hoarder house this afternoon and it made me so sad. There were so many cats in the yard and they did not look well, and there were so many kittens and they looked not good. It made me want to cry. I might try to find the cat. Like, I'm sure there's some kind of animal activist group here, and then I can, you know what I mean? Like, I can contact them. Hi guys. Minnie! Look, this is how I find sorry, I'm like slacking on the chat. This is how I find my cat. He lives in this abandoned house. He lives in this abandoned house. And then I peek my head through here. Wait. It looks like it moved a little. Minnie! Minnie! Come here, Minnie! Come get your pets! Yeah, Asian cats they have like bobtails. It's more rare to see the long tail, which is something I only learned after I came here. Onion with garlic and conditioner makes your hair grow fast. Yeah, I've heard garlic or owners look like their pets. But my cat is super freaking cute. She's a little calico cat. And then only one eye has the eyeliner, like the black eyeliner, but the other eye is normal. So when I hold her, we look like we're related, because she's rocking some eyeliner. Minnie! Usually Minnie comes out by now, but right now he doesn't want to come out. Oh, if you want your hair, wait, hold on. There's something that's really, really good for hair growth, and it's on the tip of my tongue. Is it neem oil? Oh, I can't think of it. Because I worked in beauty supply for a long time, and there was this one oil you could